Good evening. Today we're going to program a multiplexer, commonly known as a mux. In front of you, you can see a crude representation of a mux. A mux is commonly referred to as an electronic switch because it can switch between which inputs it accepts and which it doesn't accept as an output. Now let's begin. We are starting a new project. We're going to name the top integer program. Okay, let's just go on. We already went through this, the circuit type, typing it in, and then we just say finish. We're creating a new VHDL file. I have created somewhat of a template I use because it's easier just to import this the entire time than typing it out, and it's just showing you the basics. So I'll link it in the description that you can also use this template I've created. So now we just say the top entity is a Mux2x1. I know that's incorrect because we specify the top entity as program, so it's going to throw out an error when we actually compile it. But this is for argument's sake that I did that, and we're going to take the inputs as the D0, D1 and S, and the output as Q. Now we're going to decide the architecture. We're going to call it a Mux arc. Doesn't really matter what we name it because it doesn't do anything. It's just the end must be the same name, so you can name it whatever you want. Now the entity name should be the same as the port entity there above you declared, so we have to use Mux2x1. Now process name is also optional, but let's just name it. This is also optional, but let's state each input the process is going to use, and then we just end process before we actually start typing the process. Now let's put in if statement. If S is 1, then the output is D1, and if else, the output is D0. And then we just end if and end the process. We compile the program, and then we'll find out that we have made a mistake. By which I mean we didn't type in D0 but DO. So there's two mistakes. The fault is it expects something that is declared and it is not declared. So now we just changed it and now we run again. Then it will throw out the error that we originally planned it to throw out. Mux is the wrong thing, so now I'm going to say Control F. Then we're saying find that and then replace. Now we're replacing it with program, and then everything is replaced. Then we only have to run the program again, and then it won't throw out the error again. And as you can see, everything worked out. We're 100%. Now we're going to the pin planner. Yeah, the pin planner is quite confusing, so let me show you which link you should type in to actually get the pin layout yourself. You're going to go to this website, going to the Cyclone 5, Cyclone, then you'll see the DO kit. So you just go to resources and open the PDF, and then just scroll down to page 26. Here you can see the pin plan out for the lights, and underneath it for the switches and buttons underneath that, and other pins as well. So now we're just going to type it in, and you'll see on the board it lights up red, indicated it has been used. Now also we can draw it, drag and drop it. Then also it will type it in automatically. Now that the pin plan is out, we close it and we compile the program again. Compiled successfully, we're going to program. Then we delete whatever is inside there. We press auto detect, pick the 5CSEMA4, because that's the board we are using, and then we're just going to press OK, and then we can start program. And it's programmed successfully, so it was a success. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.